Here is the corner space of this kitchen. So how do we utilize the corner basically? There are like different ways to utilize this corner, right? Some people, they just keep one shelf inside and store things inside, and other people prefer some kind of like modular mechanism, such as something like this is called a Lehman's mechanism, Lehman's corner, or cargo mechanism we could call. This can completely come out, you can take out the things and keep it back. This looks really classy for a modular kitchen. People thinks like this is one essential nowadays, but storage wise, if you think, I somehow don't recommend this thing, because this tray size is only so much, right? So whatever you can store inside this, that is the only your storage space. Suppose if you don't have this unit here, we have only the shelf, you can completely utilize this corner. But the disadvantage is like some people find little difficulty to take out things from this corner. That is the only thing. Otherwise, this is a nice mechanism and it's expensive too. Island concept is something which everybody wants nowadays, but due to the space constraint, nowadays all the apartments has like quite small. Maybe the kitchen will not have sufficient space to have this island kitchen, island counter. That is the reason we won't be able to provide the same. But many of the clients ask us like, can I have an island? Even we wish to have this one because this is really beautiful. This adds some value to your aesthetics. So here is our cooking position. What generally people use for like cooking? Just a hob, right? Either a 3 burner, 4 burner or 5 burner. But nowadays we could see like some culture is implementing like one portion we have hob and the other portion we have induction. It's completely depends upon the lifestyle. So this is the below hob segment. So as usual, we do have the 3 drawer system here. One is the cutlery system and other one is just a plain for cup and saucers, and we do have the thali and plate inlet system here. So this cutlery, it is a PVC cutlery tray which we usually use, which is easy to remove, clean and keep it back. Now I just want to introduce you a different kind of cutlery system, those who prefer better aesthetics. So this is a different kind of cutlery. Most of you might not have seen this kind of unit, which is like removable again. Based on your like drawer size, you can just adjust the length. So it's like if the drawer is small, you can just keep it like this. If it is big, you can keep it like this. Now as you notice, this is a wooden cutlery unit. Definitely that question will come to your mind, that how is the maintenance? This might be higher maintenance. Yes, it is. So here it is like where we have to practice some better standard of living. What we usually do is like people just wash the cutleries, they'll just keep it inside the cutlery tray. If you do that one and this one, definitely, as this is like solid wood, this will get some black patches, black marks, and the complete aesthetic will get spoiled. But how you have to do is like, it's very simple. Once your cutleries are dry, just keep it inside so that you can retain this aesthetics. When it comes to kitchen countertop materials, there are plenty of options nowadays. Quartz is there, granite is there, Caesar stone is there, Korean top is there. There are different stones. Each has different categories, different type of maintenance, different kind of aesthetics. So what is this material? This is a quartz or a marble? Why I'm asking you like this is like, when we get some walk-in clients, I heard this question is like, is it a marble? No, it is not. It is a marble textured quartz. And other thing is like, what is the maintenance for this quartz? Many of you ask me like, what is the maintenance of this quartz? When it comes to granite, what is the difference between granite and quartz? There are lots of difference. The major difference is like price. Quartz is on the higher side and granite is the cheapest. And maintenance wise also, granite is the best. There is no maintenance for granite, but quartz has maintenance actually. Does it absorb stains? If I spill turmeric on this, what will happen? Definitely it will absorb if you are not cleaning for like 3 to 4 hours. If you're allowing the turmeric to stay on this like 3 hours or 4 hours, or one night you have cooked something, next day morning only if you are cleaning, means definitely it will absorb. Once it is absorbed, then it is difficult to clean. Not difficult, I would say, it is really impossible to clean it. Otherwise, if you can maintain, and if you're preferring some kind of like white countertop or something different from the usual granite color, then quartz is the best option. It's been like 7-8 years we are using this kind of quartz for most of our kitchen, but till now we haven't faced any complaints or we haven't had any concerns like this got damaged or this got absorbed, something like that.